Is your Ford Flex key fob not working like it used to? A weak or dead battery is the most common cause. This video will guide you through replacing the battery in your 2011-2019 Ford Flex key fob, a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. It typically costs $5 to $10 to do yourself versus $50 to $100 at a Ford dealership. First, identify the correct battery for your Ford Flex key fob. The 2011 to 2019 models use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, though some early 2011 models may use a CR2025. You'll need tools to open the key fob safely. A small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool works best to avoid scratches. Rubber gloves are optional but recommended to keep the battery clean. Step 1. Opening the key fob. Locate the small notch or seam on the back of your key fob. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the notch. Gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Start at the keyring end to avoid damaging internal components. Take your time. Rushing can break the plastic clips. Place the new CR2032 battery into the holder, ensuring the correct polarity with the positive side up. The battery should snap or fit snugly into place. Double-check the orientation before proceeding. Now for step 4, closing the key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they snap securely shut. Ensure there are no gaps or loose sections. The fob should feel solid and reassembled correctly. The casing needs to be aligned for a good seal to protect the electronics inside. Now test the key fob by pressing each button and verifying your Ford Flex responds. Start with the lock button, then unlock, and finally panic. If the fob doesn't work, the battery might be incorrectly installed or reprogramming may be needed. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, start by consulting your Ford Flex owner's manual for reprogramming instructions. Some models require a specific sequence of ignition, key turns, and button presses to sync the fob with the vehicle. Since 2024, Ford's FordPass app offers remote diagnostics to check key fob battery health, helping diagnose issues before full failure. This feature is retrofittable for vehicles with compatible telematics modules. If problems continue, consider consulting a professional locksmith or visiting a Ford dealer for assistance. Remember to handle the key fob and battery carefully to avoid static discharge or damage to the electronics.